Are you looking for home decor that you can make super cheap and easy on a budget? Then let's go ahead and get started. Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to Style My Sweets. Today I am excited to share with you a bunch of Dollar Tree DIY home decor and room decor ideas that are just super easy, quick, fun to make and will look beautiful styled around your home. So while you are watching, comment down below and let me know what colors or home decor style are you most into. Maybe farmhouse decor, coastal decor, modern decor, boho decor, maybe even something like glam, eclectic, industrial. Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. With this first one here, we are going to take a cardboard box for this one, and I'm just measuring off the bottom of the box. It's going to make kind of a rectangle piece here for the bottom for our tray. Now I'm going to take some jute rope or nautical rope and hot glue that on all the way around the outside and the bottom of this. For the inside of the box, I actually broke another like little corner of this box off and was able to fit that down inside along the bottom and side, and it just gave a little bit more stability to the box and a nice level, flat, smooth base on the inside. And then I went around the entire inside as well and filled the entire thing in again with nautical rope. I do like to use a lighter to burn off all of those little, just kind of singes off the little threads and fibers that kind of stick up on nautical rope, and it just gives a much smoother, neater look. You could add little handles on here out of rope if you want to. I decided to actually just glue a few little beads on the bottom on each corner, these large wooden beads, and they kind of give it little pedestal riser feet. Here is how this one turned out. For the next one, I have a glass jar here. So this one is actually one from Dollar Tree. In fact, you could probably even do something like this just with like a large plastic container as well, if that's what you have lying on hand for like a recycle, upcycle craft. I have this beaded garland, beaded rope. I think it was originally from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree does have some small ones. The beads are a little bit smaller and you would need to connect a bunch of them together, but you can totally do this with items from the Dollar Tree. Let me know, should I do a beautiful bouquet in here like this and style it maybe on the coffee table or the bookshelf, or I could add some water and then use it to propagate some of my plants, such as my pothos plants, which I love to propagate them. Let me know, what should I put in here, pothos plants or a bouquet? Now moving on for the next one, using this piece that I was inspired by that I found in Walmart. Now this is actually a plant water catcher, water saucer, what do you call these? Now for the bottom of this, I did go ahead and just take a candle holder from Dollar Tree, painted it over with some mineral color chalk paint. I gave it 2 coats. And then in order to bring out the browns on here, I took a little bit of this brown paint I had. It was just a little bit of a leftover sample from Home Depot, and I'm just kind of modeling that on top of the mineral chalk paint. To attach it, I simply use some E6000 glue along with some hot glue, press that together really well, and I think this is gonna look so lovely to maybe style a candle, style a little vase of flowers, some little accessories, or even seasonal decor on. So for hosting or for home decor, let me know how you would use this piece. This is not food safe, so I'm not going to put any food directly on it, but if I did have little fruit cups or something like that, or even cupcakes that are in the cupcake wrapper, it would be so cute to also serve them right on this little pedestal dish. I think it's just lovely. Now moving on for the next one, if you want something really simple, cheap and affordable way to make a little riser, this one is something that you could make for probably $2 from Dollar Tree. All you need are these 2 pieces of wood. These actually came in, I believe it was a 6-pack in Dollar Tree, along with one of these little wooden pencil holders. Flip this over upside down and then add some wood glue and some hot glue on the top, or I guess it's the bottom of the pencil holder. We're gonna make it the top portion here, and then go ahead and press those 2 wooden pieces on, and that'll just make your little riser here. That's all there is to it. So now you can paint it, decorate it however you like. You could use some contact paper from Dollar Tree to decorate the top. That would be really fun and pretty. Now, I couldn't quite decide what color I wanted to paint this, so ultimately I decided to almost try to make it look somewhat similar to the one that we just made using the piece from Walmart. So for this one, I took a little bit of this kind of creamy white color paint. Again, this is one I had left over. I've been using this little tiny sample bottle from Home Depot, and I want to kind of use it up, and then I brushed on a little bit of the brown one, just kind of splotched it on and stippled it on there just to add, you know, some color and texture to this tray. And I do like how it turned out, but I felt like in order to really bring out some detail and make it look a little bit more like stone, I needed to bring in some gray. So I took that mineral chalk paint now and added some of that in here as well. And here is how this one turned out. You guys let me know. I'm kind of deciding now. I like how it turned out, but I kind of feel like after that white coat, I feel like I should have done the gray next, and then done like a little bit of brown on top of the gray rather than the gray on top of the brown. But anyway, I'd love to know your thoughts. I do like how it turned out, and again, you could style this with some candles, some greenery, some flowers, you know, really whatever you like. And it is kind of small, but again, you could use it to serve some yummy treats. Again, not food safe, but something that comes pre-packaged. You could use this as part of your hosting set to just serve some extra items out on your counters, and it would just look really cute. Now, for the next one, we're going to do a quick little planter that I think will go really well with quite a few types of decor. Taking a bowl from Dollar Tree and a planter from Dollar Tree, and essentially we're just simply gluing them together with some E6000 and hot glue. Now, you could paint this, and I think that'll really make the difference in this piece. Is just a matter of how you want to paint it to fit with your decor. So I already spray painted the bowl, and I completely forgot to go back and spray paint the bottom piece because I was thinking of spray painting them exactly the same. However, the color is right in line with each other and they're very similar, and so I ended up just leaving it. I forgot to paint the bottom, and I like how it turned out. And you could put a drainage hole like straight through the middle of both. However, I decided not to, because I am going to use this to put all of these pieces of pothos plants that I have kind of been propagating and have little roots on them and stuff now. I'm going to put them all in here with some soil and either put this somewhere in our living room, or I'm thinking about just leaving it out here on our lanai, out on the patio set, maybe on the coffee table out here or something, just to add to our little garden. I love creating the feel of like a beautiful botanical garden in our outdoor patio space. So I am just so excited to do that for this spring and summer season this year. And I think this is the perfect little addition for, you know, just a couple of dollars. Now, to go along with our outdoor set and our hosting and entertaining, actually this is one you could use indoors as well. We're going to make some very simple, easy DIY coasters. I simply cut out a piece of cardboard here from some scrap cardboard I had, covered it in nautical rope all the way around, and then again use that lighter to burn off and singe off any of those threads and fibers sticking up. It just gives it such a neat, finished, clean appearance. I actually tried doing one the same way using this rope, this like nautical rope that had navy blue in it from Dollar Tree, and I think that's really interesting and fun. And this one I actually just glued the rope round and round in a tight circle to itself without actually gluing it on top of the cardboard, and I don't think you get quite as neat of a circle, I would say. However, it's very simple to do, although I kind of think that the blue and tan color combo together, it doesn't really fit with my decor, so this piece is not my favorite. I really prefer just the natural jute or nautical rope look. I think if you're going with more natural decor, just going with the regular jute is going to look a lot better. But again, if you're going for a more coastal look or a beachy look, the navy blue might fit in beautifully with your home decor. So now for this next one here, I'm taking two candle holders. Actually, no, let me correct that. I'm taking one candle holder from Dollar Tree along with one vase from Dollar Tree. Now this was a clear vase that I painted. It's left over from a different project in the past, and I am painting them over with this brown paint that I had. And all we're really gonna do, I got the idea to take these little glass orb vases from Dollar Tree, the round sphere vases that they have, that I already had these because I last year covered them with some Mod Podge and some dried flowers, and I made little candle holders out of them. And then actually we were going to use some of them for vases at my daughter's graduation party. A little bit of hot glue, a little bit of E6000, and you can glue these together and they look so pretty on a bookshelf or any shelf really, maybe in your entryway or your living room. They're just a really pretty piece, maybe even on your dresser. Just kind of a fun, whimsical little piece for spring and summer home decor or room decor. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you guys soon in a new video.